Hey, Emma, have you ever met someone and completely forgot their name?
Oh, yes. And then I panic trying to avoid saying anything wrong. It's so embarrassing.
Well, don't worry. Today we're going to show you exactly what to say when you forget someone's name politely and confidently.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Talk. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. If you struggle remembering names, this episode is perfect for you. We'll give you real phrases you can use immediately in everyday life.
So, Jack, why do we forget names so easily?
Names are tricky because our brain focuses on the conversation, not the name. Don't worry, it happens to everyone.
Exactly. The key is how you respond politely instead of pretending to remember or avoiding the person.
Key phrases to use. Here are some simple phrases you can use. 1. I'm so sorry, I forgot your name. Honest and polite works anywhere.
I'm sorry, can you remind me of your name? Very natural and friendly.
I'm terrible with names. Can you tell me again? Shows humility. People usually don't mind repeating.
I know we've met, but I can't remember your name. Polite and respectful, perfect for professional settings.
These phrases make you sound confident instead of awkward or
Tip 1.
embarrassed.
Repeat the name immediately when they tell you. This helps you remember.
Tip 2. Associate the name with something, like a job, hobby, or face feature. It works like magic.
Tip 3. Write it down if possible, especially in professional meetings.
Tip 4. Don't panic. Most people forget names too. Honesty is always better than pretending.
Real life examples. At a party, you meet someone and forget their name. You can say, I'm so sorry, I forgot your name. Can you remind me?
At work. Hi, I'm Emma. I know we met last week, but I can't remember your name. Could you tell me again?
See? Simple and polite. Works every time.
Quick quiz. If you forget someone's name, what's the best thing to say? 1. Pretend you remember. 2. Say politely, I forgot your name. Can you remind me? 3. Avoid talking to them.
The answer is 2. Always ask politely. So remember, here are your 4 phrases. 1. I'm so sorry, I forgot your name. 2. Can you remind me of your name? 3. I'm terrible with names. Can you tell me again? 4. I know we've met, but I can't remember your name.
And don't forget to repeat the name, associate it, or write it down to remember better.
If this episode helped you, hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to never miss our easy English tips.
Try these phrases in your next conversation and never worry about forgetting a name again.
Until next episode, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.